All right. So this is a linear approximation, and behind there is a actual shape of a curve in there. So that's the central point there. So wanted to understand how this one changes as we change this value. F of x is a slope, right? So x-axis is here, x-axis is here. So if I increase that a little bit, so you can see that's how the shape of this quadratic approximation with all the zero except fx a little bit increased. If I increase, decrease fy a little bit, and then tilt it this way. So changing fx and fy, you're creating this type of tangent plane there, right? Get back to that. And if I increase fxx, that's a curvature along this x direction, right? So if I increase a little bit, as you can see, that's what kind of a quadratic approximation it creates. If I increase fy a little bit, and that's to that side, right? So now, I want you to go ahead and guess what happened if I increase fxy. Not quite. Yeah, some sort of twist in, right, especially in between. That's what I said, right? In between, that's what's happening. This is measuring how this line is turned around as you move your point of application to that direction. So this is actually what happened if you do that, that. You twist around in the middle there, right? And if you go backward, the other way around. Now you can increase a little bit more in here, a little bit more there, and all twist around to create all sorts of slightly different shape. So this is a measure of what's happening in terms of linear approximation and the second derivative value. Kind of give you a brief idea about what is really happening to the actual curve, but sometimes it's not good enough. Fair enough?